Good morning, students. In the previous class, we studied about the environment. So, in this class, we are going to study some of the basic concept. Okay, if you look at surroundings, you are going to see the most of the trees, including animals, birds. So, some of the trees are very tall, and some of the trees are very short, and some of the plants, okay, they are bushy in nature, and some of the plants have a thorns, okay, for the protection purpose. So today we are going to start the new chapter, the chapter number 2. The name is that flora and fauna. What is the meaning of flora and fauna? The meaning of flora means plant, okay, fauna means animals. Okay, got it. Now look these pictures carefully. The tree, one is a very tall and one is a bulged and large portion, not compared to this one. So you might be able to see your surrounding. Some of the coconut trees are very tall compared to the other trees. Okay, look here. Some of the trees have branches. Okay, always the tree is in an upright position because of the roots are going to be hold firmly. The roots like as you have legs. The roots are going to be hold the whole plant body weight as well as in an upright position. What are the uses of the trees? As usual, we studied in the previous class. The trees give the shelter to the birds as well as it gives the food to the human beings as well as the animals. So the cactus it is not grow very tall. It is a bushy nature. So it is in a thick leaf because it is going to be in a desert to reduce the water. It's have a thick spines. Okay, these are some of the characteristics regarding the flora and fauna. We are going to talk about only the main function of the different part of a tree today. The root, stem, and the branches, leaves, flower, and fruits and seeds inside the fruits. So we are going to study about the functions of root. What are the main functions of the root? What is the main function? The roots are going to be held the whole entire plant body firmly. Okay, the root has a main root. Okay, and different kinds of roots we are going to study in the next class. At each root, it have a root tips. Okay, root head. From the root head, it is going to absorb the minerals and water from the soil. The roots always go inside. They are positively geotrophic. It moves in the soil. Okay, it goes deeper in the soil to get the minerals and water from the root. So when the water and minerals will get from the root hairs, it goes to the upright position. It reaches to the water is going to reach us to the leaf, branch, every part of the whole plant body. So second one, root help the plant to stand in an upright and firmly attached to the ground. So if the roots are not enough to strong, what may happen during the rainy season or during the storm? It going to be flashes. The whole entire plant body is going to be fell down from the ground. So these are the important functions of the root. So do one activity. Take a big roof and tag into the stem of a plant. Okay. Try to pull. Okay. And find out and tell me the answer in the next class. So some of the characteristics apart from these, the plant will not move from one place to another place because the roots are going to be hold entire life throughout until the death. The plant is going to be stand there only. It cannot move from one place to other, but it shows the movement. Okay, it shows the movement. The branches are going to be moved and the flowers are going to be bloom, and these are the shows the characters of living things. But can you stand at one position for an hour and 2 hours? Do it. Okay, like a plant. Plants will only stand at one particular place throughout its entire life. So my homework is that. Homework. Right. functions